Today we're going to be making avocado toast using açma, which is a special Turkish pastry, but you can use bagels as well. First off, I'm cutting my açma in half. I'm going to mash my avocado. Adding some salt, a little bit of lemon juice, and mash. Spreading this on the açma. Some purslane, some cilantro, a little bit of parsley, a little bit more salt, some olive oil, pine nuts, parmigiano. We don't stop here, we are going to fry an egg. I'm cutting the egg and let it do its thing. So this might be a great way to start your day. Just saying. I hope to see you guys later. Bye bye.